Geoscientists make observations and collect data on Earth's features to understand how they form and change over time. In the past, these features have mostly been studied at ground level. However, having a view that is limited to the ground can make it difficult to study or map a large area. And what if a geoscientist wants to examine an erupting volcano or an iceberg floating in the middle of the ocean? There are Earth features that are inaccessible or dangerous to try to get near. Planes, other aircraft, and satellites have helped expand our view and can take pictures from the sky. Drones are often less expensive and more mobile than other technologies used for taking aerial images, making them one of the most common vehicles for taking videos and pictures of Earth's features. The technical term for a drone and its operator is unmanned aircraft system. The pictures from drones cover a smaller area but are often much clearer than those taken by satellites or manned aircraft. Drones can also carry instruments to collect geoscience-related data, such as the magnetic sensor shown here. Other instruments include specialized imaging equipment that can help with mapping or other sensors to measure environmental conditions. There are two categories of drones that geoscientists frequently use for doing different jobs. Rotary wing drones have spinning blades like a helicopter that allow them to hover in the same place and launch vertically. Because they can hover, they are often used to take close-up images of features being studied. Rotary wing drones can also turn as they hover to view different angles and take panoramic shots of a large area. Fixed-wing drones are similar to airplanes and can take off from a runway or are launched using special equipment. Fixed-wing drones fly much faster than rotary-wing drones and so can cover a larger area. They also maneuver much like a plane and can take smooth videos over a landscape. Both types of drones can take pictures and collect other data that is then processed using computer software. Images can be taken of the same area over time to map changes that occur, even if these changes are small. These detailed images can be used to make 3D computer models, allowing scientists to be able to study the area by interacting and experimenting with the model. Drones can also be used in mining to help find useful minerals and assess the safety of a mine. Drones can be used around volcanoes, earthquake zones, wildfires, and other natural hazards. Collecting data around hazards can help scientists better predict these events and assess damage from them. And drones can be used to monitor the effects of climate change. Taking pictures of glaciers, icebergs, forests, farms, and rivers can give insight on the health of these areas as the climate changes. Nowadays, drones are being used regularly to collect earth science data, and new ways of using drones are continually being developed, so they are likely to be used well into the future. Are you interested in flying a drone? Classes are available to earn remote pilot certificates so you can help in the collection of data needed to understand Earth's features and processes.